Okay, new picture plane. Let's make sure, okay, that line's already done. Let's make sure we define it. So you're defining your picture plane like so. And then you are, after defining the picture plane, after you let your ink dry, it's Inktober, by the way. Let's set this right. I'm just going to bring this horizon line over. Why not? Like that. And let's put it over here this time. So what we're going to do here is we're going to draw a more complex shape. We're going to use the L form. So start with a letter L. And if you don't know how to do a letter L, that's fine. Just stack 3 squares in this, this way. There you go. And then after you've got your shape drawn, you're going to connect to the vanishing point. So 1, 2, 3. All right, those are the easy ones. And now you got to watch out for this corner, and this corner, because they also need to connect. Without connecting them, we can't do our draw through. And, you know, it's, again, like there will be, like I promise, like you're going to be good enough someday to skip a few of these steps. But especially this early in your guys' career, embrace that need to draw through. So let's say that we want this form. Let's copy this line to go this far back. All right, and then we bring up the, just like so. Kind of missed there. You guys won't tell. There we go. All right, and now let's do the back. All right, let's make sure we draw through, even though I am kind of beefing some of these lines up. So let's bring this over. Let's bring this down. Bring this over further, and then down. And look at that. And now we have the back of the L. Woo, look at me go. Yeah, I'm awesome, right? If you wanted to, you could even like clean it up a little bit with some hatching. And I like to hatch in the direction of the vanishing point. So there you go. You could do something like that if you were so inclined. All right, another L form. This time let's work below. So let's right there, and you can draw the L backwards if you prefer. Right there. All right. So I got my square. It's look at that. It's like I'm making my own connect the dots. You'd be surprised. It seems like a silly way to draw, but it's actually pretty effective because you're not giving yourself more than you need. You know, there's times in art where you hit that information overload. I hope that's not happening right now, but this is all I need. Oh, I don't need that. Wrong. I need this. So here we go. This one is going to be tricky. It's going to be almost exactly vertical. And if I look at any of the other lines, I'm going to throw it off. So I'm looking at that in one point. There we go. And I'm connecting all the corners. So everywhere there's a corner. Oh. That's, yeah. If you're not super confident, just leave it kind of dotty and then finish it, do it right later. That's my advice. And then, all right, so we're going to decide how far back in space this goes now. So right here, we're going to copy this horizontal line, bring it over. Let's put that ray in, why not? Let's do the rays as we go. Take this vertical line right there, ray, off this point, horizontal line, ray. And then because we are going to be great artists someday, not just good artists, great artists, we're going to make sure that we draw through the form. And then, should you be so inclined, you are allowed to maybe beef up some of the lines that would help your viewer understand your drawing a little better. All right, A plus. Maybe not A plus, maybe A minus. I just hit 5 minutes, so I'll let you know what your exercise is. You're doing 3. I know I only did 2, but I was talking. I talk too much, and I like to keep these videos under 6 minutes. So I need you to do 3. And if you missed the last one, do 3 of these. And if you can't do L's, do more cubes. If you can't do cubes, do shapes. If you can't do shapes, do line. Just continue to be a master of your own ability level.